Welcome to the International Drinks Expo at the XL in London. Now look at this, we have got everything around us. We have got soft drinks, we have got gins, there's vodkas, there's coffees, there's even waters, straws, everything. And if you want an extremely good lager, follow the bear.
Hofmeister, I remember you from the 1990s, right? Follow the bear?
Yeah, 80s and 90s, absolutely.
So why are you at the London XL today?
Because George the bear,
Right.
he left the Bavarian forest in 1983 in the adverts to come to the UK, became very successful. And then Courage, who owned the brand at the time, they were bought by Scotch and Newcastle, who had Fosters. And they wanted to spend money on Fosters and push Fosters, and so gradually slowed production down and put George into hibernation in 2003.
Into hibernation?
Into hibernation. So beer wasn't brewed from 2003, but anyone who's the wrong side of 37, 38 remembers the brand with fond affection.
Yes.
So myself and my business partner thought, hang on, George came from Bavaria. We know Bavaria makes great beer, but we couldn't name a Bavarian beer brand in the UK. And we did some research. We found out the brand was owned by Heineken, but they weren't doing nothing with it. So we wrote a letter asking if they wanted to sell it to us, and they did. So we've relaunched.
Coming out of hibernation.
George is out of hibernation, absolutely. So the brand's the same, the beer is completely different. So the whole beer market's moved on since the 80s and 90s. People want provenance, quality, they want to know what's in the beer, what they're eating and drinking. And so we decided we'd go to Bavaria and find ourselves a fantastic brewery to brew us a new recipe. And we came across a wonderful fourth generation family brewery whose water source is pure natural mineral water. All of the barley they use is grown within 30-kilometre radius of the brewery. They malt their own barley, they use local hops, and they slow brew at 0 degrees centigrade for up to 7 weeks. So this product is now extremely clean in terms of what's in it. It's vegan certified because it's brewed according to Reinheitsgebot, the German beer purity laws. It's got a lovely, clean, dry finish. It's a Helles lager, which is the Bavarian archetypal light colour beer. It's got a different flavour profile, so you've got maltiness in the nose. There's a very slight sweetness on the taste, but it's got a very, very clean, dry finish. It almost wants you to drink more.
Yes, absolutely.
Absolutely. So it's now.
So where do you see the brand going in the future?
So at the moment we are 2 to 3 years into this. We're repositioning the brand in the on-trade. We're imported premium, so we're competing with the likes of Peroni, Birra Moretti, Estrella. And we're looking to build distribution in independent free trade outlets, but also top-end, high-end Michelin-star restaurants and hotels. And with the recognition of the brand, so people still remember the brand, it works extremely well. Everyone wants to talk about it.
Yeah,
and when
fond memories for a lot of people.
Of our wall of awards, we've done quite well. We've current holder of the International Wine and Spirit Competition Beer Awards. So we can say we're the best lager in the world, no probably about it. We're Quality Drink Awards Best Lager. We won gold in the International Beer Challenge about 2 months ago, and last Thursday we found out we won double gold in the European Beer Challenge.
Oh,
so I think the beer judges and beer journalists and beer sommeliers appreciate the product, as I hope you are as well.
Yeah, well, the bear is back.
The bear is back.